5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh! How cool would that have been? You know you're all thinking it. Okay, we have both rockets coming down.
They're going that way.
So over on our left, which was the rocket that started from our right. 2 sections, nice graceful recovery, this rocket. Okay, so let's keep an eye on where the pieces are going, especially important relative to the tree. I think we'll be ahead of the trees, but across the street, yes. Or
Yeah, it's fine over there. And the other piece
there's
is,
somebody out there running towards it.
they're both out of the trees on the far side of the street.
Okay.